Good afternoon, all of you. I am Assistant Professor Kute Akshada from SND Engineering and Research Center, Evla. Welcome to online lecture series. Subject is Engineering Chemistry. Today's topic is galvanizing methods. These methods are used in corrosion to prevent corrosions. These are three types: hot dipping, electroplating, or galvanizing. Galvanization is the process of applying a protective zinc coated to steel or iron in order to prevent rusting. The protection is twofold: physical protection from moisture and air, electrochemical cathodic protection. Patina, a layer of zinc oxide salts and other compounds from when Zn reacts with salts and moisture. Spangle, snowflake like glittering crystallites on the surface. Degree of galvanizing expressed in weight of Zn per unit surface area. Galvanizing methods: hot dipping in molten zinc, thick coat continuous sheet galvanizing, thin coat done before forging and can withstand and bending and reshaping. Zn point or Zn spray, thin coat, weak bonding and with steel surface. Electrogalvanizing, thin coat, strong bonding and better finish. The material generally used is aluminum and silicon. Kill steel so that no oxidation occur during solidification. Abrasive blasting, the process of using a forceful stream of particles available in varying hardness to remove residue and contaminants from steel surfaces to prepare for galvanizing. Caustic cleaning to remove organic impurities. Passing the metal through a molten bath of zinc at a temperature of around 460 degrees Celsius. Further reactions: the pure zinc reacts with oxygen to form a zinc oxide, which further reacts with carbon dioxide to form a zinc carbonate, a usually dull grey, very strong material that stops further corrosion in many circumstances, protecting the steel. In case of HR should be low, and in case of CRP should be low. Chromate quenching, a layer of a tri and hexavalent chromium compound is done to prevent reacting of zinc with concrete H2O, H2 evolution and wet storage stains. Phosphating is done prior to any painting to increase adhesion of paints. Duplex coating is a liquid or powder paint over galvanized surface done to provide the synergetics protection. Is 10 times more abrasion resistant. Is 8 times more chip resistance. Offer 20 times more edge protection. Very good long term corrosion protection. Attractive appearance, unlimited color variety, high level of mechanical resilience, high level of cost effectiveness due to its long service life. Environmentally sound processes. Layers on zinc coating. The outer ETA layer that is composed of pure zinc, the zeta layer composed of an alloy that is 94% zinc and 6% iron. Delta layer, the second layer of zinc iron alloy growth from the base steel from during the galvanizing processes. The delta layer's chemical composition is approximately 90% zinc and 10% iron. Delta layer is 60% harder than the base steel. It protects from abrasion and corrosion. The thin gamma layer composed of an alloy that is 75% zinc and 25% iron. Advantages and disadvantages of galvanizing. Advantages: smooth and uniform coating, sharp edges and corners are protected optimally, stress release. The coating is very robust and can withstand minor bumps and bruises in connection with the mounting, transportation, etc. Disadvantages: limitations of the product size, risk of distortion due to stress release escape in forget products. Applications of galvanizing: roofing and walling, safety barriers, handrails, consumer appliances, automotive body parts, metal piles in most heating and cooling duct system in buildings. Cannot be used in places of extreme temperature condition. Peeling starts at 200 degrees Celsius. According to the naming conventions, G90 finish would have 0.90 of zinc per square foot. Thank you.